that's your GoPro.
Molly, Molly, say hello to the camera.
Well, it'd be fun to slay down there and go in the lake.
Are you gonna eat the ducks? Molly? What's she doing? She's like, we're going this way again. You gonna pee on it? And we pan to the left and we see a
Come on, Mom. That's a girl. Good girl.
moles.
Kids worked really hard.
What are you tracking down? Pee? Poo? From other dogs?
Hey, Molly, you're pulling again. Hey, Molly. You're choking.
Molly. Chasing for something. Hunting down a scent.
Well, she's a healer. Healers are Australian shepherd dogs. They herd sheep. That's her natural instincts. And so she
It's got rocks for eyes. Get it! Get it! Sick 'em!
Can you picture Molly and I with
Snowman. Is not bare or
dead?
or dead or yeah, or is not dormant, I guess, or whatever. Yeah. Molly, are you gonna lick the camera? Here, lick it. Lick the camera. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Knee trees.
Well, just trees that don't grow straight. It's like it doesn't have to be perfect organized to be beautiful, you know?
Yeah. This tree right here behind you is getting mad. What are you saying? I grew straight all my life. Especially the indoor one. I swear someone added to that snowman already. It's like it has a hat now.
Looks like it.
And here's big snowball. Oh man. Why wouldn't he let you do certain things?
Well, I don't know. I don't really remember. I just remember it wasn't fun.
Was it a long time ago?
Yeah, I was